Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, you firstly have to go to the upper bar, tap on this icon here to access these buttons, and here you can enable power saving. So by tap on it once, you can just switch this mode. By holding your finger on access, you can access some of its settings. You can restrict background data for more battery saving. You can restrict performance. So for example, you can okay, let's wait until it. So you can restrict CPU performance. You can restrict screen output. You can turn off touch key light. So as you can see now, I touch on keys and they don't light. You can enable grayscale mode for even more power saving, because all these colors of the display drain a lot of battery, you know, and could be useful too. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.